So again, boys and girls, sometimes we include a review day or a day 5 of vocabulary throughout the week. And the purpose of this day is to revisit old familiar words now that we've learned previously in the weeks prior. And the goal again is that you'll use these words in conversation as well as in your writing. So the words that we want to go back and review today are critical, dissimilar, focus, obstacle, and rubble. So just reviewing the definition of each of these, critical means extremely important or absolutely necessary. The next word is dissimilar, which means not similar or not alike. A synonym for that is also the word different. The next word that we're reviewing is the word focus. Remember, focus is a multiple meaning word. It can mean to adjust the eyes to see something clearly, or it can mean to concentrate your attention on something. The next word that we're reviewing is obstacle. It is something that blocks or gets in your way. And the last word is rubble. Rubble is referring to those broken pieces of brick, stone, or other material from a building that has been destroyed or demolished. So think which word you might use and how you will finish the sentence. When I hear the word blank, I think about blank because. So right now, the first word that sticks out to me that I think about when I see these 5 words is the word critical. I know that critical means absolutely important or necessary, and we were recently reading an article about survival skills and which one was most important. And I know that in the text, the author often referred to water and finding water as absolutely important and necessary. And that kind of reminds me of the word critical. So if I were writing my essay on survival skills and finding water, I could use the word critical instead of just saying that finding water is important. Again, we challenge you to use these words, boys and girls. That wraps up our review day 5. We'll see you next week.